When we go to Microsoft 365 Copilot and hit Cowork, we can see that we don't have access yet. Let's set up the access and let's create a user group so we limit the access to a group of users. We do that by going to admin.cloud.microsoft here, and then we can create the security group first. So we want to create a pilot group. This is smart, so we don't give access to the entire company. Hit Teams and Groups, and now you want to hit Active Teams and Groups here. Go over to Security Groups, and here you want to say add a security group and give it a name. We will call it something like Copilot Cowork Pilot Group here. And if you click away, you will see that the next turns blue, like here. Go down and hit next. We will just hit next here as well in the Azure AD roles. We don't need that. So go down and hit next. Here you can say create group, and the security group has been created. Just hit close here. Then we can go up to Copilot Cowork Pilot Group. Since we don't have an owner, let's assign that first. That will just be me, so I'll add the owner here. And let's go with Anders Jensen and hit add like this. Then the owner is added. And similarly, you add members to that group. These are the members that you want to give access to Copilot Cowork with. I choose Stina, and I could choose more members. I should probably have done it here, but let me add one more member. That will be myself. And here I just go up to add members and pick Anders Jensen. So these security groups are smart when working with this, because then we limit the access to Copilot Cowork to this group. That's it. Now in the admin.cloud.microsoft, you want to go up to Copilot. Then you hit cost management, and then we can set up Copilot Cowork here in Microsoft 365 Copilot. You want to click this blue button called Get Started. Choose a billing method, either capacity packs or pay as you go. I also want to limit the monthly spending to X credits, in my case 20,000 credits. The maximum credit per user will be 16,000. You don't need these, but I prefer them. I also want to get an alert once the spending reaches, for example, 15,000 credits, like here. Then what you want to do is to hit Customize Setup, because we want to only apply this to our access group. So here you want to limit it to specific users, because we created this security group called Copilot Cowork Pilot. Go choose that here and hit Save Changes. What you want to do now is to hit Activate down here, and then you want to wait 20 to 30 minutes, and then you can go up in the upper left corner. Now you have access to Copilot Cowork. Amazing. Your next advanced Copilot Cowork video is right here. See you.